I just made 11,000 grand trading the very simple strategy. Paying a close attention to this very setup, a lot of few things happen. What we wanted to do earlier ended up being what we didn't do. This strategy I'm going to be sharing with you today is a simple binary option strategy that can take you from 0 to 100. It's not about how easy I'm going to be trading this strategy. It's about how easy you can start using the strategy and of course start making consistent profit for yourself. So without wasting further time, let's get started with this very one. So this right here is AUD NZD, the OTC market, and of course we are trading over a period of 5 minutes expiry right here. We are risking 6 grand, and this right here is 1 minute time frame, which means every single candle right here is also 1 minute. So what we do is to pay a close attention to the trend and see what the overall trend is, so we can make a decision that is long term. So if you look at the trend, obviously you can see that the buyers are really strong and price has been moving upward for the past few hours. That being said, we are also having right here a pullback, which is looking promising for us. This right here happened to be the recent higher low swing, and of course, as you know, when we are trading price structure, these levels like this are not supposed to be broken. So as the price is pulling back, we are watching to see what happens. How price reacts to this very level is what is super important. If price breaks below this level, this whole trend becomes an invalid trend. What we do is to try to draw some key levels. The key levels helps us to track the movement of the market and of course help us also track our entry very well. So what we do is we try to draw a trend line and then we have it on this level right here. So we are paying a close attention to this pullback that we have right here. So the primary reason why I'm not using this level is because price broke above right here on this level and then a new low was created. That means that this structure becomes invalid and this right here becomes the next valid structure. So it is very simple. I will just simply move this trend line and then this is now going to be where we'll be paying a close attention to. So this becomes a high, this becomes a low, a lower high, and of course a lower low. So what we are going to do is very simple. We have to wait to see when we have a breakout out of this trend line. If this trend line becomes broken and price closes above, then we will enter a trade for a buy and then we can see how much we can make to add to a balance of 232 grand, as you can see right here. You must understand that everything takes time, and in trading, patience is super important. So we have to be extremely patient, and then price we do what it has to do, and at the end, of course, we have an entry and then we will enter a trade. In addition to patience, another thing that is super important in trading is capital. For those of you who doesn't have capital to trade yet, you can join our Telegram channel right now. The link is pinned below in the comment section. We give away all our signals 100% for free. Those signals are super accurate. They can help you to start making reasonable amount of profit that can scale your capital, and then you can start making reasonable amount of money in trading. So the link is pinned below in the comment section. Join us, let us trade and make money together. So from what we are seeing now, price is approaching this recent higher low swing, which is going to be a disturbing thing for this very setup. If this higher low swing got broken down below, this setup is going to be an invalid one. So we're paying a close attention to how the price behaves when price eventually gets here. What I will do is I will simply draw a horizontal level and I'm going to have it right here on this very support. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to keep a close eye on how price behaves when price eventually gets to this very support level, and of course to know if we can consider this still a valid setup or not. So as you can see right here, guys, something interesting is happening with this very setup. Like I said, I drew right here a support level on this very recent higher low swing, and then what happened is that price breaks below, but price did not close below. So we are trying to see how we can use this very level as entry for price to go up, because remember that the overall trend is an uptrend. We want to wait to see if we have all the criteria in place. What we have to look out for to trade this level to the upside is some amount of reasonable weaknesses. So that's what we're looking at. But the overall, once we have the price closing below this very horizontal level, that will simply means that this setup is now invalid and we can just discard whatever it is that is going on right here. There's no call for alarm. There's no need to panic. We want to wait for some weaknesses right here. Let's see if we can have them, then we can trade for the upside. But once price close below, of course, it is against our rule. We are simply going to walk away from this very setup. All right, guys, I'm in on the trade with 6 grand, as you can see right here. If anything goes wrong with this very setup, we are going to be losing 6 grand. But if everything goes well, of course, we'll be going home with $11,000, as you can see right here. This payout is 84%, as you can see right here. So let's see what happens with the setup in the next 5 minutes, and of course at the end of the trade I will explain again in detail the reason why I have entered this very beautiful trade, so you can learn and also apply when you trade. This turned out to be a very beautiful entry, and price is delivering as we expect it to do. The beautiful thing about this setup is that it has a lot of lessons that you need to pick, so make sure you watch the entire video and don't go anywhere. And if you find any value so far in this very operation, go go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our important live operations that will be coming up in the future, guys. So we ended up having this very beautiful red candle closing against us into our zone, and hopefully this right here is going to be now the last candle of the very trade. It's just going to be less than 27 seconds for this trade to run out. If this candle closes well, we are going to be winning this trade, adding something tangible to the balance that we already still have right here, guys. So guys, as you can see, I just made 11,000 grand trading the very simple strategy. Paying close attention to this very setup, a lot of few things happened. What we wanted to do earlier ended up being what we didn't do. All right, so if you look at this setup, you will see that we used to have a very beautiful uptrend, and then this became a pullback that was really valid. We wanted it to be what we can use to enter a trade, and then we drew this very trend line right here, tracking the movement of the sellers. Remember that if we're having a strong uptrend, we need price to pull back. The pullback becomes our entry. So as expected, the pullback came, and then it became too aggressive. And then when that started happening, what I look at for is try to identify the recent higher low swing that is visible. This right here became the higher low swing that I was looking at. The whole idea is simple because I understand how price structure works. I know that if this higher low swing got broken down below, it will be a problem. If you pay close attention, you will see that I had right here a horizontal level drawn, and this was intentionally put right here in this recent higher low swing. It is very simple why I did that. I wanted to track the movement of the sellers and see how they react to this very level. And like I said, it's a very simple strategy. You want to see if price closed below this very horizontal level, then this pullback become invalid. That didn't happen. We had the price pulling back and breaking below, but it didn't close below. So the fact that price failed to close below this very horizontal level showed to me that the level is pretty strong, and that we can trust it for price to go up. But even with that understanding, you need to know that you have to have some entry triggers. You are not simply going to be entering your trade simply because price is respecting a certain level. That happened right here. The breakdown happened right here. Now the question is, why did I decide to trade this very candle? This candle is different from every candle you've seen before it. These are red candles, these are green candles, but these candles are not entries. You can consider these to be entries because we're having rejections from the upper side, which means that the sellers are always in charge. The sellers have been dominating all of these candles, even though they are green candles. So those are not the type of candles that you want to trade. So what type of candles do you consider trading when you are having this type of market scenario? You need to wait for candles that are highly dominated by the buyers. Pay close attention to this very candle. This is a candle that showed exactly what we wanted. So I'm not going to move this horizontal level. I'm going to leave it here. But if you look at this very candle, the candle closes and the sellers move the price strongly below, creating a strong wick on the lower side. But at the end of the day, the buyers stepped in and moved the price all the way up, and the price closed far above where it opened. This candle is a hammer, but it showed a lot of strength on the buyer side. That's what we need, because you know, when we are having the market at a key level, we want to have some really strong entry. It could be the sellers, it could be the buyers, but if there is a significant amount of pressure from either the buyers and the sellers at a key level, it always signifies push, and the price tends to move very, very fast. So this candle showing that kind of strength on the buyer side, took my trade immediately on this very candle, and you can see that for the next 5 minutes the price moved in direction of our trade, and we ended up winning this very beautiful trade. This is everything about the very live operation. We hope you've learned something and you can apply. If you find interest in more of our videos, we have a lot of them on this channel. Watch them, practice, and of course start making money starting right now. If you find value here, don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe, turn the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our important live operations that will be coming up in the future, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.